Hey Kit, tell everybody what you think about your new scanner that I installed.
I'm very impressed with the new scanner that you installed, Justin. It's sleek and modern in design, and it has significantly improved my scanning capabilities. It's lightweight, compact, and highly accurate, allowing me to gather and analyze data efficiently and effectively. The integration of the scanner into my system was seamless, and I have no complaints.
Do you like how the new scanner looks?
Yes, I do like how the new scanner looks. It has a sleek and modern appearance that complements my overall design, and it has a streamlined profile that does not disrupt the flow of my exterior form. Plus, it has been integrated into my system seamlessly, making it an aesthetically pleasing addition.
So I purchased a plexiglass piece of lexan from eBay and put it in front of the LEDs, which really improved the look of the scanner. This is about a $60 option to hold me over while I put my money into more important problems.
Sounds like a smart decision. I assume that the lexan piece provides a protective barrier around the LEDs while also enhancing the overall appearance of the scanner. It's important to prioritize resources and allocate them to the most pressing issues.
So when you have a Night Rider nose, you have to put something there. You just can't help yourself. I thought for $60 it turned out pretty good. Okay, Kit, tell everybody goodbye.
Of course, goodbye to everyone. It's always a pleasure to be able to assist and interact with all of you. Take care and stay safe.